Today I'm going to show you 3 amazing websites nobody is talking about. First, head over to your browser and search TV Garden. Click on the first link. You will be redirected to this page. You can use the globe to select a country or just search from the search bar. Let me go with my country, Cameroon. I will see live TV stations. Let me just go with Vision 4. You see, they are live. Now, let me search another country. Let me go with Nigeria. You see all the live TV stations. You can select from any and watch for free. And they have very good quality. Let's go with one more country. Let me see. TV news. This is still Nigeria. So let's go with one more country. Let's go with Australia. Let's select any TV station from Australia. You see the quality is very good. The next website we're going to talk about is Old Maps. Just go to your browser and search Old Maps. You will click on the first link. It will redirect you to this website. Click on Explore Maps. You don't need to create an account. Here you're going to see this. You can use the small red toggle button down and shift it to any area and select, from the screen above, you're going to see regions, rulers, people, battles. If you click on regions and shift this toggle to any area, they'll show you the region that was existing in a particular country in that particular year. If you go to rulers, they'll show you people that were ruling the different countries. You just need to zoom through the country. Like, go to people, you're going to see popular people that were in those countries. You see at 2000, you're going to see Michael Jackson, for example. So this is how this website works. You can use it to understand a lot about the past, like popular people in different countries and many more. The next website we are going to talk about is Fast Reading. Just go to your browser and search Fast Read. Fast Read is an ultimate AI book writing that helps you with just a single prompt. It will write a complete book for you that you can actually sell as ebooks or download prints and sell them as hard copies. Just click on the first link and create an account with your email. Let's continue. Now we'll be redirected to the landing page. You see we have 16 credit and you have some ideas here like TikTok ads, and you see the popularity 110, the trend and the potential very high. You can just click on that and create a book for you, but I'll just go with creating it manually. You can actually add a new author here, description and everything, but I'll just go with my name. See, this is my name here. So what is the genre of the book you want to create? So mine is technology. This is technology. This is a small book since we're going with free version. The language is English. Now describe your book here. I'll just do ethical hacking for beginners. Let's just put it as beginner guide to ethical hacking. Anything you want, you just write it here. I'm just using this so that I can share with my students. Here, who are your target audience? Cybersecurity enthusiasts. This is just for demo purposes, but it's going to generate me a full book. You can put more details into it. If you want something really detailed, you just need to, take your time to explain exactly what you want. Now, this is what they're going to do. You can regenerate it from here if you don't like the final description you have. You can keep regenerating or use ChatGPT to get your own prompts and paste here. I'll just proceed with this for demo purposes. Okay, now they're going to give you all the topics they will write about. You can actually add some. You see add heading, right? You can keep adding. Just add what you want from here. You can also do research from different blogs and platforms, use different artificial intelligence and add them. I'll just proceed with this for demo purposes. Generate. Now it's crafting a book. Book has been added. It's processing. Will be published within few seconds. Now our book is ready. You can see it here. You can actually download. I can read online. I can send to people. Everything is ready. I'll just put my name here, my email, my subscribe, and my book will download. Now I have the online copy, I have the offline copy, and I can send it to friends and students to read. This is how easy it is. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down and the notification button. I will see you in the next video.